What's going on, y'all boys, though, man? I hope y'all liked the video, but let me go ahead and get into this bit, though. I know y'all all, hey, for the ones that be playing the game and play Call of Duty and 2K and shit, I know y'all be having them one homeboys that have some trash-ass Wi-Fi. Shit, y'all might be the homeboys some trash Wi-Fi. Y'all need to hurry up and get this program, test your internet speed, find out the best time to be on your network, because I know y'all shit back, bro. I know y'all be lagging and shit. I know y'all do, man. Just keep it real. Hey, nah, but shit though, for real though. So look, so in this program though, I had went ahead and made it so that way there's an automatic speed test. And what led me to do that, to be honest, was I was in the car and I was just driving and I was thinking about how I do a regular speed test on my own on my network every day, if not almost every day. And I was like, what if I just made a script that did it automatically? And boom, that just led me here. So this is like I'm like 3 weeks into learning Python, so I mean I'm trying my best, you know. I started off by making calculators and shit, and I'm like, fuck this, bro. I don't know, like something. I want to do things that involve me doing networking, and the fact that I could do programming and networking, combine the both two together, that shit is just cool as hell to me. I like that, man. I ain't gonna lie. Y'all let me know what y'all did in y'all first month of programming though, or where y'all at right now, what y'all be doing, man, because I'm open to ideas. I love to collab. I don't know, it's just, I don't know, something about it is fun. Like, I be thinking about this shit all day, every day. When I'm at work, I be thinking about programming. I be on my phone, looking at videos, you feel me? Like, I don't know, it's just addicting, bro. Y'all probably know what I'm talking about, but, shit though, I don't know, it's just fun though, man. I'm not finna lie, I'm having fun, I'm enjoying myself, man. So hopefully this take me far, and hopefully y'all like the video, man. Appreciate y'all for watching. Hey look, so I'm on this bit right now. I'm on the 5-minute interval, so I'm gonna go ahead and show you that my shit works. Y'all probably going like, he only need 20 days in learning Python. He probably know what he doing. Like, I don't give a fuck. I'm gonna show y'all I know what's up. Hold on. Speed test number 1. Speed test number 2. Speed test number 3. Damn, look at numbers, bro. 700 download speed. Y'all not fucking with me, bro. Speed test number 4. C. Speed test 3, 2, 1. Speed test number 6, or is it 5? Shit, I don't even know. Speed test number 7.
Speed test number 9. Speed test number 10.
Alright guys, so this is what the main menu look like. As you can see, I got the title up here, developed by me, and then I even threw in a connection status up here. That's a selection of what we want to do. So we're gonna go ahead and test it out. Option 1. And then if you want to, you can perform another speed test or go to the main menu. We're gonna go to the main menu, so we're gonna tap into option 2. And as you can see here, we got a list from 7 options of whether we want to do 5, 15, 30 minutes, or an hour, 2 or 4 hours. Option 3. And as you can see here, here's all the speed test results I did, man. So it's gonna show the ID. It shows the time, the ping, the download and upload speed. So as you can see, I've been getting consistent 600 to 700 megabytes and download speed. Option 4. And this is where you go to look at the best times to be on network. So let's say you don't want to play unless your download speed is above 600, but the ping is below 25. This shows where it was like that. So I only had it one time. That was at 11:27 last night. So option 5. And right here is where we show the unmasked IPs if you ever want to see it. Now, for me, it's unmasked, but for y'all not gonna see it because what I love, I trust y'all. I'm fucking with y'all. And then option 6 is about the script. I have not completed that yet, but by the time I upload the video, it's gonna be done. So for y'all, it's done. For me, it's not, if that makes sense. All right, so this is what we got for the main menu so far. Now we're gonna go to exit, option 7. As you can see, it closes the CQL database connection. Alright, so let me know what y'all think about this program down in the comment section below. If y'all don't know, I'm like 23 days in the programming, so I feel like what I'm doing is, I think that's a pretty good start. I don't know, maybe it might be a little ass, but y'all let me know down in the comment section what y'all think though. Be sure to like, subscribe, and share, and I'll see y'all later.